Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear doctor. Another trick about artificial intelligence programming. There are two ways that you can run AI program. You can run it on a cloud, which means you just put the request and the cloud have a control of, let us say, 1000 GPU and the program itself, and it put it into the AI program and gets the answer by special transformer and send it to you. And this is the best way and the easiest way. But there is problem that there is so many restriction around it that so many answers will be prevented. Like for example, give me the email and the phone number of all companies of vascular surgeons in the Middle East. It wouldn't do that because they block giving any information about companies in email. But the other option, which is interesting, that you can run AI on your laptop. But you must have a really hefty laptop with, let us say, i9, and let us say you have, let us say you have RAM, something like 128 gigabytes of RAM, and so on. It's like similar to gaming laptop. Here you install a program called LM Studio, which means Large Language Model Studio, and you select which model you want. Let us say you want DeepSeek or you want Copilot, but the minimum amount of programming that you need to download is about 6 gigabytes or 7 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes. And here you can run it, but number one, the reply will be very slow reply because it depends on just your CPU, nothing else, and your GPU. Secondly, the beauty is there is no restriction. So here you can ask, give me the name of the company's email and phone related to vascular surgeon in the Middle East. Here it will give you a reply because there is no restriction. Thirdly, you will see the traffic inside the AI, so you will know how the system works. So there are two ways of using AI. You can install it in your system, which I don't recommend because you will have a huge amount of, let us say, hard disk being used. Your processor will be totally engulfed with this task, and you will be very slow regarding other tasks of laptop, and you'll have so many restriction of your laptop. So unless you really know how to set up a laptop, don't install this option. And the cloud version, which is always found in mobile version and web application. So for example, Gemini is a mobile app and also on the web. Same with Grok, same with DeepSeek, same with the new one was from Alibaba, which have a huge large language model, uh, which is called Qwen 2.5. So these are the two ways that you can run an AI program. I would advise you to open folder in your mobile called AI program, and then install all the program related to that into that link. And the second one is open a browser in your laptop. You can group multiple tabs into one big group, and let us say this is called AI artificial intelligence. So use one browser, get all the tab into one group of tabs, and call it AI, and everything will be there. I think it's a good advice to use this. And now we know that there is a summit in Paris regarding artificial intelligence, future, limitation and restriction, which is very important and would affect all industry. My concern is vascular surgeon and doctors all overall. How you can benefit of this technology, how you can grasp this technology to improve your position, your power. And I think it offers a lot of help to doctors. It would not replace a doctor. Okay, so this is my tip for today. And I wish you all the best. If you have any comment or a question, just put it on the link below on the comment. And thank you very much. I wish you all the best. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon.